So here we have Ceanothus thyrsiflorus, or blue blossom Ceanothus, in the Rhamnaceae family. Ceanothus thyrsiflorus ranges from Oregon south into Southern California, and it's typically found on dry, well-drained soils in the sun or the shade. In terms of the overall form, it can be anywhere from a low-growing shrub up to a 20-foot tree. Some of the key characteristics of your Ceanothus thyrsiflorus include the leaf arrangement is alternate, so the leaves are simple, alternate, and persistent. And then if you were to look at one of those individual leaves, you'll see that it is prominently three-veined from the base. So that's a really important characteristic for your Ceanothus leaves, the three very prominent veins arcing up from the base of the leaf. These leaves also in winter or even on a hot summer day will sometimes curl up, kind of like, they'll roll up like cigars almost. The flowers of the Ceanothus thyrsiflorus are small blue and lavender, borne in dense clusters, usually in early midsummer. And those flowers are they have a beautiful fragrance that attracts everything from your birds and your bees to butterflies. Those flowers will also, if you add a little bit of water, work up a lather kind of like soap. And in fact, people who've been out fishing, when they have the scent of the fish on their hands, all those oils from the fish, if you just rub some of the Ceanothus thyrsiflorus blossoms in your hand with a little bit of water, it will work up a nice lather and completely get rid of that fishy scent. So really interesting plant. The fruits are a fairly small, three-lobed capsules that are borne in clusters encasing these very, very tiny black seeds. So some of the key characteristics to remember for your Ceanothus thyrsiflorus are again the persistent leaves that are prominently three-veined from the base. They are dark glossy green above, pale below, and have very finely serrate margins. The twigs are ridged or ribbed and typically fairly green in color. So these slender green twigs, especially when they're young, they're often ribbed or ridged.